Well, good morning, Williams, Philippines. It is Tuesday, January 24th, 2025 at about 7:37 in the AM. Boy, hope everybody's doing good this morning. Uh, yeah, tired. Apparently, my emails or my comments are not affecting my emails and going to my email. So, I don't know. Found a couple of them yesterday that I didn't have. I thought I wasn't getting comments, and then I found out I'm getting comments. So, uh, hello, y'all. Sorry. I got back with a few of you yesterday. Uh, yeah, please keep commenting. I'll try to go and check until I can figure out how to get it to go back to my email. Yeah, such fun, such fun. Uh, yeah. Anyway, got lunch today, and that's a good thing. Don't know what I want to have, but got lunch coming up. Hazard of going to a restaurant. I don't know what they have. It's okay. Somebody else is being nice to me. They are more than welcome to feed me. Because I can tell you, feeding me ain't cheap. I enjoy food too much. Yeah. I can remember going and, yeah, eating two whole chickens and platter full of french fries, a pint of coleslaw, a pint of baked beans, and two 32-ounce drinks. Lunch. Yeah. And when I say whole chickens, I do mean whole chickens. Four leg quarters, four breasts and wings. Yeah, just destroyed them. Wasn't bashful back then. I had a real good appetite and I was working in the hayfield. I could put some food away. They've got the 72-ounce steak here at the Big Texan. My dad ate it. I could have back when I was younger, but yeah, I wish I'd have tried. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, trying to get with friends. Gonna miss a lot of folks here still. Uh, yeah, but it is a good thing. I was talking with one of my guests, and mentioned that I'm retiring soon, and he said one of his coworkers was over in the Philippines, had a wife over there, and was bouncing back and forth. He said he hopes it works out for me. He says, "Well, I'm used to being the new kid on the block, new kid in the school. I've moved so many times, it's unreal. Of course, I never really had this much stuff to have to move or to decide whether I wanted to keep it or toss it. Like this table over here. That thing there is it's a workbench, you know, inch and a half thick, almost 2 inch thick. Yeah, about coming up on 2 inches thick. Slab of wood. It's a good solid workbench, big metal, heavy duty legs, and yeah, gotta get that out of here because I sure ain't carrying that to the Philippines with me. But the bookcase right next to it, I don't care. That thing's going out. If it sells, it sells. If it don't, it don't. I don't care. It can go to the trash pile on the front of the house. I've got other things I got to figure out how to get out the house too. And my boss is going out of town again this weekend. It is what it is. Trying to figure out if I'm going to have a garage sale this weekend, and well, there's one hindrance against it, but yeah, it's supposed to rain today, tomorrow, and Thursday, and maybe a chance on Friday. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to be having a garage sale in the rain. Yeah, I don't know. Shoot for next weekend? I don't know. Uh, why is there always so many variables when it comes to life? Yeah, we try to think of as many of them as we can, prepare for as many of them as we can, and then look at the options and alternatives to that happening and see what we can do to try to make that work better. Because, hey, the world likes going sideways on occasion. Bumpers. Bumpers can be fun. That was good. But yes, trying to figure out planning and such. I don't know. Part of me wants to just go ahead and have a garage sale, and well, if it gets rained on, it gets rained on. I don't know yet. Got more options, have more ideas if I'm going to do that on Thursday. Hopefully, it'll decide to clear up Thursday and not rain. You know, it's supposed to, the best day is going to be Friday and Saturday, which is good, but Thursday and Sunday could be rain and a possibility on Friday. Yeah, around here, a 20% chance pretty much means it's going to rain somewhere. 50% chance, most likely it's going to be dry. I don't know why, but yeah. We have bipolar weather here. Strange. Don't get me wrong, I love it. I've been here for in and out of here my entire life, 60 years plus. But living here this last run for, oh gosh, 22, 21, heading to 22 years. Yeah, I'm going to miss this place. Actually, I like my house. Hell, that's why I bought it. When I bought it, I was thinking, I could die here. Little off into that, I got to the point that, hey, I can sell it at 65. I'll have it paid off and I can go buy a travel trailer and a truck and drag that around. Financially, that doesn't work anymore. But leaving at 62 and going to the Philippines, and yeah, that does. So that's what I'm working in, what I'm working on. Problem with this is there's so much stuff that's got to go. Yeah. And really, the more I think about it, that was comments from Dan and Klaus, I think it was, yeah. Wishing good luck, and one of them's going to be trying to get over there in about a year and a half, too. So, yay. And I think Dan said something about, getting rid of stuff because carrying it. If you're going to travel, you don't need to be having, you know, 10 boxes and, or 4 boxes and 4 suitcases. This is real not good for traveling. You know, 2 suitcases and a backpack is doable. Uh, so I'm trying to figure that out. And again, it's like with my papers and such. Don't need to carry tax return with me, but you can't just get rid of them. So there's one thing I need to have go into a suitcase and get left somewhere. Yeah, that and a few of the things that I consider worth keeping. Because I do come back here, but there's not really much of that. I'm choosing between if it's gonna go and I need to be able to get it down to a small enough that I can carry it with me, and if it's gonna be something I'm leaving here, it's got to be something that I think that I've kept around for a long time. Something that's got an investment in it, kind of like my frying pan. Do I want to get rid of my frying pans? Part of me says give them off to this girl that took the bakeware. Another part says no, take them with you, box them up and ship them over. But yeah, I'm gonna tote around cast iron with me. Got to figure. I got to call and talk to somebody about how much stuff I can store and how long I can store it. Yeah, so much fun. Anyway, I don't know about you, but it's been a long one, and I'm tired. Yeah, and I need to do some things before I head over to lunch. Food, more friends, more family, more food, and again, more food. Yeah, I'm big on food. Yeah. Anyway, I'm William Williams, Philippines. Do your thing. Figure you out. Like, comment, subscribe. It's up to you. That's your department. Do you. Don't worry about other people. Do you. So what I'm trying to do with me is figure me out. A lot less headaches. Anyway, fish out.